Quindim is a beloved Brazilian dessert that embodies the vibrant culture and flavors of Brazil. This glossy, yellow dessert is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a rich and flavorful experience. For the taste buds, primarily made from sugar, egg yolks, and coconut. The name Quindim is of African origin, and the dessert itself is a beautiful blend of Portuguese and African culinary traditions, showcasing Brazil's diverse cultural heritage. To make quindim at home, begin by gathering your ingredients: 1 cup of sugar, 12 large egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter at room temperature, and 1 cup of shredded coconut. This recipe highlights the importance of egg yolks, which give quindim its characteristic rich taste and vibrant color. Start by preheating your oven to 350 F175 C. This ensures that the oven is ready for baking as soon as your mixture is prepared. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the sugar and egg yolks. The goal is to achieve a smooth and homogeneous mixture. Once mixed, add the butter and continue to whisk until it's fully incorporated into the batter. The butter adds a silky texture and richness to the dessert. Next, fold in the shredded coconut gently. The coconut not only adds a tropical flavor but also a delightful texture that contrasts beautifully with the smoothness of the custard. Once the coconut is evenly distributed throughout the mixture, it's time to prepare your baking dish. Grease ramekins or a flan dish with butter to prevent sticking and ensure a smooth release after baking. Pour the mixture into the prepared dish or dishes. To bake, place the ramekins or flan dish in a larger baking pan and fill the pan with hot water until it reaches halfway up the sides of the ramekins or dish. This water bath method, known as banho-maria in Brazil, helps to cook the quindim gently, ensuring a smooth and creamy texture without cracks. Bake for about 30 minutes, or until the quindim has set and developed a beautiful golden color on top. The exact baking time may vary depending on your oven and the size of your baking dish, so it's a good idea to start checking for doneness after 25 minutes. After baking, allow the quindim to cool completely before attempting to unmold. This patience pays off when you're greeted with a perfectly smooth and shiny dessert. To serve, invert the quindim onto a plate. It should slide out easily if the dish was properly greased. Quindim is best enjoyed chilled, allowing the flavors to melt and the texture to firm up slightly in the refrigerator. Serve it as a luxurious treat to end a meal or as a special snack to enjoy with coffee or tea. Its rich flavor and stunning appearance make quindim a favorite at celebrations, family gatherings, and any occasion that calls for something truly special. This recipe not only brings a taste of Brazil into your home, but also invites you to explore the rich culinary traditions that make Brazilian cuisine so unique and beloved around the world.